Do you ever struggle at work, but you feel shy to ask for help? In this daily life English conversation, you will learn simple English for asking for help at work, the right polite phrases, clear questions, and confident teamwork.
Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure, what is going on?
I need help with this report. I am stuck.
Okay, what part is difficult?
The numbers do not match, and I do not know why.
Let us look together. Can you show me the file?
Yes, here it is on my screen.
Thanks. When did you last update it?
This morning, after the team meeting.
Maybe the data source changed. Did you refresh the sheet?
I think so, but I am not fully sure.
No worries, we can check step by step.
Thank you. I feel embarrassed asking.
Do not worry, asking early saves time.
I usually try to fix everything alone.
That can be good, but teamwork is better sometimes.
I was afraid you would think I am not good.
I will not think that. Everyone needs help.
Okay, how should I ask in a polite way?
You can say, "Can you help me with this?" Or "Can I get your advice?"
Can I say, I am stuck, can you show me?
Yes, that is clear and honest.
What if you are busy?
Then ask, "When is a good time to talk?"
That sounds respectful.
Now, let us check the totals. I see one formula is wrong.
Oh, I did not notice that.
It happens. Look, this cell is pointing to the old column.
So I should change the reference?
Yes, update it to the new column, then copy it down.
Let me try. Okay, now the numbers match.
Great, you fixed it fast.
Thank you. I feel relieved.
Next time, you can also add a quick note about the change.
You mean a comment in the sheet?
Yes, so others understand your update.
That makes sense. I will do that.
Do you need help with anything else today?
Yes, I also need help writing a short email.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I want to ask for a deadline extension, just one day.
You can write, "Could we extend the deadline by one day, due to data updates?"
Should I apologize?
Yes, but keep it short. Say sorry for the delay, and give a clear plan.
Okay, I will do that, thank you.
One more tip, ask for help early, not at the last minute.
Yes, I learned that today.
Also, be specific. Say what you tried already.
Like, I checked the totals and refreshed the data, but it still failed?
Exactly. That shows effort and respect.
I feel more confident now. Asking for help is not weak.
Right. It is professional, and it improves results.
Thanks. I will practice these phrases.
Good. Do you want to repeat a few?
Yes, can you help me with this? When is a good time to talk?
Perfect, and you can add, "Could you please take a quick look?"
Could you please take a quick look? Thank you.
Great job. You sound clear and polite.
Thank you. I feel ready for next time.
Awesome. We are a team. You can ask anytime. Thanks for listening to Daily Life English. Please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English conversations.